and the Samsung Express 2. So, you go to the application manager, manage apps, and here with the new version of Huawei, they they did an upgrade. Here with the older version of Huawei Y530, but the newest update for this phone, it's not even visible where it is. Okay, with the newer Android 5.1 and this Huawei Y5 version 2, it's already an upgrade that SD is visible. Here it's not. But, for example, it's not clear what apps can be and cannot be on the SD card. So what I do is I go to download. This one is also not possible. But these are MX Player, move to Braille, Skype. Here's very easy. I'll show you how to do it with the Y530 too. So I would really prefer that Huawei would do on all their devices something similar as Samsung did. Shouldn't be that hard. So with the Huawei Y530 and other similar devices, so you go under Device, you go